Hello, my name is Victoria. Today, I will tell you how living things have changed over time. A long time ago, the Earth looked very different. There were no plants or animals like we see today. The Earth was covered in oceans and filled with tiny living things that we can't see with our eyes. These tiny living things were the first life on Earth. As time passed, these tiny living things started to change. Some of them began to live together in groups, and others developed new ways to stay alive. They grew bigger and more complicated. One of the first big changes was the appearance of plants. These plants started to grow in the oceans and on land. They made the Earth greener and provided food and oxygen for other living things, helping to make the Earth a better place for life. Then came the age of the dinosaurs. These fantastic creatures lived on Earth for millions of years. There were many different types of dinosaurs. Some were huge, like the T-Rex with its big teeth. Others had long necks, like the Brachiosaurus, which could reach high into the trees for food. Dinosaurs came in all shapes and sizes. But the dinosaurs didn't stay forever. A big change happened when a giant rock from space, called an asteroid, hit the Earth. This caused a lot of dust and darkness. The dust blocked the sunlight, and many plants died. Without plants, many dinosaurs couldn't survive, and they disappeared. After the dinosaurs, new types of animals started to appear. One of these was the early mammals, which were small and furry. They had warm blood and could live in different places. Over time, these mammals got bigger and smarter. Eventually, some of these mammals became early humans. These early humans were different from us but slowly learned how to use tools, make fire, and live together. They hunted animals and gathered plants for food. They made simple shelters to live in and learned to protect themselves from danger. As thousands of years went by, early humans kept learning and changing. They built homes, created art, and discovered new ways to live. They learned to farm, which means growing their food. They made clothes from animal skins and plants. Over a long time, early humans became the people we are today. Now, we have cities, technology, and many amazing things. We can learn about our past and understand how we got here. Every plant and animal, including us, has a special place in this wonderful story. And that, my friends, is how living things have changed and grown over millions of years. We are all part of this incredible journey. Goodbye, children. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.